Good morning everyone. Today in this video we are going to study about the cell theory. So in 1838, Schleiden, a botanist, examined large number of plants and observed that all plants are composed of different kinds of cells which forms the tissue of the plant, and each and every essential functions are taking place inside the cell of each tissue. As you can see here, this is a tissue which is combined of different cells, and inside each and every cells different types of chemical reactions are taking place in order to keep them in a living state. Now, the another statement was given by a Swan. He was a zoologist by profession and he studied different type of animal cells and reported that cells are having a thin outer layer which is known as a plasma membrane or a cell membrane, and based on his study on the plant he formulated the another statement that there is a one unique structure present in the plant cell only, and that is known as the cell wall. Although plasma membrane is also present, but its outer structure is cell wall, okay, which is absent in animal cell. As in the diagram, in the given diagram, you can see, yes, here in this diagram, there is animal cell and a plant cell. Cell membrane is common in both plant cell and animal cell, but cell wall is only present in plant cell, okay. Now, what happens? Schleiden and Swan together formulated the cell theory, but problem arises that they can't able to explain that how new cells are formed. So the another scientist comes forward. He first observed and stated, he first explained that new cells are forming from its pre-existing cell, that is omnis cellula e cellula, okay, and he modified the hypothesis of Schleiden and Swan and give the cell theory a new say. As you can see here in this video, here is a one cell. It is dividing itself, forming two cells from 2 to 4, 4 to 8, and then finally by dividing itself they are increasing its number and showing that from one cell millions of cells are formed, hence saying that new cells arising from pre-existing cell. So the cell theory as understood today is that all living organisms are composed of cells and product of cells, and all cells are arises from pre-existing cell. Clear to you all now? Hope so that all of you have understood. So this is all about the cell theory in this video, and in next video we will further study in detail. So hope so that all of you have understood. So thank you, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.